Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class. Today we will continue with the chapter The Coastal Plain and the Island, which we had started in previous week. So let us continue with the chapter. But before starting the chapter, I would like to say that please watch these videos. Today I am going to explain you question answer, and if you will watch the video, then it will become very helpful for you to write the answers of the question. So please watch the videos. Let us start. In very short, today I will explain you life in islands, as I have explained you about the islands in previous classes. So in very short, I will explain you about the life in islands. Then after we will discuss about objectives. Objectives you have done as your homework, but please match it once again, as this is the online class and I have not checked your book. That's why please match the answers once again. And next I will explain you question answer. So please watch the video where as it will be helpful for you. Let us start. India has two groups of island. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Island and second one is Lakshadweep Island. Let us start with Lakshadweep Island first. Lakshadweep Island, it lies in Arabian Sea, and the most striking feature of this island is that it is made up of coral deposits. Okay, and the coral, what is coral? Coral are the remains of sea creatures. It has 10 islands. Total it has 36 small and big islands, but 10 islands are there which are inhabited, means life exists there. Here the main occupation of the people of these islands are fishing. Tourism has been developed in this region, and Kavaratti is the capital of this island. Okay, total number of islands in this group is 36. Next one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Island are in Bay of Bengal, and it is a group of approx 300 islands. This is the map of Andaman and Nicobar Island, you can see over there. Port Blair is capital of this island. Here Port Blair is there. It is capital of this island. And this island is divided in three parts: North Andaman, Middle Andaman and South Andaman. In this island also, this island has also group of dense forests. Okay, and most of the people belongs to tribes, as I had explained you in previous classes and during the online classes also about the tribes of Andaman and Nicobar Island, that in some islands people are nowadays also people are living as early humans, like they are living on the trees and they are wearing the branches, they are wearing the leaves of the trees, and they are just eating the flesh of animals. Here tourism is the important industry because of its beautiful beaches. Okay, some islands are very developed also, and here the main important industry is the tourism. Tourism is an important industry, and its capital is Port Blair. This island is famous for cellular jail. Okay, this is the beautiful island of Andaman and Nicobar group of island, and it is famous for cellular jail, which was very famous during British rule, and it was known as Kala Pani. Here it is the picture of cellular jail, you can see. This is the picture of cellular jail, and it was known as the Kala Pani. Indians were get the punishment of Kala Pani Mostly the politicians were getting this type of punishment. Those who were not listening the Britishers, they used to punish them and they used to send them to Kala Pani, from where they cannot meet with their family, from where they cannot come in contact with any other person. Now let us move towards objective. Question number A is tick the correct answer. First question is Amul dairy products come from. Amul dairy products, about Amul dairy products we had read on page number 45. Okay, when we were reading about Gujarat, there we had read about Amul dairy products. Okay, and it comes from where? It comes from Anand. Anand is a district in Gujarat. Anand is a district of Gujarat. St. Xavier's St. Xavier Church is in Goa. Where St. Xavier Church is located? It is in Goa. And you will see page number 45 only. About Goa you will read. On that it is written. Onam is the main festival of. Just to move to page number 46. Then you will find the answer that Onam is the main festival of Kerala. Odia is the main spoken language of Odisha. This is very simple. And I know you all have done the correct, you all have tick the correct answer only, you have choose the correct answer only. But once match it again. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Right now I have told you capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Now next question. Name the following. The southernmost point of India. Southernmost point of India is Indira Point. On page number 44 the answer is given Indira Point. Wait 1 minute. Yes. It's Indira, Indira Point, Point. Okay. The biggest seaport in India. The biggest seaport in India is Mumbai Port. Okay. Here you will write on second Mumbai, Mumbai. Third number, land of spices. Land of spices is known as Kerala, is known as land of spices. Kerala, Kerala. Next question is the longest beach in India. Longest beach in India, Marina Beach. It is the longest beach in India. Okay. Next, the world's first white tiger reserve. It is given on page number 48. Okay, you see page number 48. It's given over there. Nandankanan. Wait, let me write over there the name. Nandan, Nandan, Kanan. Nandankanan Zoological Park is the world's first white tiger reserve. Okay. Now let's move to question number C. In which states are the following monuments located? First one is Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram is associated with Mahatma Gandhi and it is in Gujarat. Okay, it is in Gujarat. Second one is Fort Agoda. Fort Agoda is famous fort of Goa. Third one is Vivekanand Memorial Rock. Vivekanand Memorial Rock is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is related to Swami Vivekanand and it is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next one is Aurobindo Ashram. Aurobindo Ashram is in Puducherry. Here you will write in front of 4, you will write there. You will write here Puducherry or Bindu Ashram. Space is not over there. Once again, let me write. Puducherry, Puducherry. And fifth one is Lingaraj Temple. Lingaraj Temple is in Odisha. Odisha, Odisha. You will write over there. Okay. In this way, you will write all the answer. I hope you all have written the correct answer only. Now, let us move to the question answer. Answer the following question. Question number D. First question is, which states lie along the western coastal plain? Along western coastal plain, the states which lies are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay, along the western coastal plain. Okay, when you will see the map of India like this, so this area is the western coastal plain. This is the southern part of India. Wait, once again, let me draw. See, like this one is the southern part of India, and this part is known as the western coastal plain. So states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, these states lies in western coastal plain. Next question, which are the main industries of Gujarat? In Gujarat, many industries are there. Okay, but most important industries are textile industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry and pharmaceuticals. These are the main industry of Gujarat. Now next question, third. What is Puri in Odisha famous for? Puri Jagannath Puri, it is in Odisha and it is famous for its Rath Yatra. Next question is, what is the importance of coconut in the life of people of Kerala? About coconut, when I had taught you about Kerala, about coconut we had discussed now that coconut is very important in the life of people of Kerala. Every part of coconut tree is used over there. Coconut fruit give copra and oil. Coconut husk is used to make coir and mats and carpets. Okay, so all the part of the coconut is used in Kerala. Next question, name any three famous temple in Odisha. In Odisha, Mukteshwara temple, Lingaraj temple and Jagannath temple are some famous temple of this state. Okay, Mukteshwara temple, Lingaraj temple and Jagannath temple are some famous temple of Odisha. In this way you will write all the answers. In next class we will discuss the activity corner and HOTS of this chapter and map work also. So in next class you will be ready with a map. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you.